Do you work from home and do you need an extra space for your office? A super wide living room space area plus a 3-car garage that you won't notice, which is located in a very convenient city here in Central Florida. This property that I'm gonna show you and tour you right now is the best fit for you. Are you ready to see and own this one? Let's go. Hey, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself to you. My nickname is RJ, your favorite credible realtor with LPT Realty, specializing in new construction here in Central Florida. A quick summary of our channel. If you don't know, we upload every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time a new construction VIP tour and a new construction VIP deals that you don't want to miss out. So make sure to subscribe and share this video to all your family and friends, especially the one who wants to move here in Central Florida and own a new construction home. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Welcome to Gabriella by Casa Fresca. She's the builder, and this is 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath or bathroom, 3-car garage, and just over 3,100 square footage with a very good interior design. Please make sure to watch this video until the end because I will tell you the convenience of the location itself about this one. So very convenient. Right now, we just showed you the office or the first bedroom, or I would say the first room inside of the property. That's gonna be your office. And right now we are here on the half bathroom, which is you will have a quartz countertop there, white quartz countertop, and this is gonna be your linen closet. And right now what I love about this, what they did here, you will have an entrance or a dog home or a dog house. This is gonna be your dog room, and then you can have this not just like this, but you can store your cleaning stuff here as well if you don't have a pet or if you don't have a dog. But that is a great place to put your dog in there. Right now we are heading to the access to your 3-car garage. This is gonna be your 2-car garage, as you can see it here, and as soon as I turn left there, you have an entrance there or further in that you can put another car. That's why 3-car garage. I hope that makes sense. And now we are here in the main living space area. As you can see it here, this is gonna be open concept floor plan, which is a very nice one and a very spacious one, especially if you have a big family who's gonna living in this particular property. A very nice home. We are currently here in the main living area. Here in the main living area, the size of this is estimated size of this is 17 by 18, which is a very good size as well. And this particular area, you can put an L-shaped couch, something like this, or you can put like 2-seater or 3-seater or 4-seater couches on each side, will still fit. Right next to it, we are going or heading to this dining area, and this dining area is estimated 11 by 15. You can put something like this, or you can put a round table, or whatever your choice or preference. It will still fit and you will still have a great space there as well. Now we are here on the kitchen area, which is one of my favorite. Look at this. You will have this long and big center island with white quartz countertop here, and also you will have a pretty good sized pantry area there or a pantry room. This you will have a single sink there or a deep single sink, so for manual washing it will easy for you to wash it. Right now we are here on the first bedroom here downstairs, and the estimated size of this one is 12 by 10. You will have a pretty good size here. You can fit a double bed, queen size, or even king size bed, and you will still have a pretty good space here. This is gonna be your ensuite bathroom with your fully tiled shower area and also your walk-in closet here. Pretty good, pretty decent size as well. And you will also have a linen closet here for this particular bedroom or whoever gonna use this particular bedroom. A very good bedroom here downstairs, and also a pretty good size as well, as you can see. Here we are heading to the patio area or your covered patio in your backyard. What I love about this is this part as well, because you will have a covered patio here. You can put some chairs, table there at the back of your home, and you will also have a pretty good sized backyard here. And for your information, this is a 2-story home, which is a very big one, so they installed a 2 AC here. So most 2-story home here, they put 2 AC just to cool down easy your property. Now we are heading on on the second floor. Here on the second floor, what I notice here, you will have this big long window to come inside of your home, which will give you natural light. And also, as soon as you come here on the second floor, you will have this loft area, or I would say a bonus room on the second floor. And this one, you will have a 3 windows here for more natural light. I love natural light because it gives your property more light and will make your property looks big as well. Right now, we are here on the master bedroom. The size of this, or estimated size of this, is 13 by 19. Yes, this is a pretty big size bedroom here. As you can see, you can fit king size here, or king size bed, queen size, whatever you want put will still fit. And here we are on the ensuite bathroom. You will have a window there, his and her sink with white quartz countertop here, and also your fully tiled shower area here, and this long walk-in closet. Look at this. Yes, you can fit a lot of clothes here if you have a lot of clothes, and also your private toilet there for your convenience. And this particular room as well, you will have a linen closet there, or additional room there to put your linens. And now we are heading to the rest of the room, or the rest of the area here in the house. We are here on the AC room. You will have your AC upstairs, and right next to it you will have this centralized, or you can have this AC thermostat, which is automatic. You can use it from your phone or adjust it from your phone. That's gonna be your laundry area. Your washer and dryer is included right now. That could be changed. However, if you want this kind of home, make sure to come here and check this property, because once this property is like nearly sold out, they're not gonna include your washer and dryer. So this is a great deal right now. On this particular room, the size of this bedroom is 11 by 13. A pretty good size as well, and you have a pretty good size closet as well, as you see. And now we are heading to the next bedroom. This bedroom itself is 11 by 13. Pretty good space, pretty good, the same one. And also you will have as the same closet here. You will have a walk-in closet, pretty good size as well for the closet, as you notice here. And we are heading to the next room. You will have an extra linen closet here, and this is gonna be your shared bathroom. You will have a bathtub here, a toilet, a fully tiled shower area, his and her sink with white quartz countertop. And the last part here is another bedroom for you, which is the size of 11 by 12. Pretty good size bedroom again. You can fit a double bed here, queen size or a king size bed. And of course, you will have this closet inside of your home, which is a pretty good size closet as well. As you notice here, on each bedroom, they have a pretty good closet as well. If you come here on the actual property, you will notice like a bigger room here than here on I'm showing you on the video as well. And imagine like living in this home, you will have pretty good size as well. And also this particular builder, they have a good reputation about building home here in Central Florida. Now, the location. This property is located in Davenport, Florida. And also, as I promised at the nearly end of the video, I will tell you the convenience, which is the point of interest of this particular property. First thing that I would like to tell you is the MCO airport, or the international airport. The MCO is the name of the international airport here in Central Florida, and this particular airport is just about 37 minutes or 32 miles away. So give or take, it's about half an hour or maybe less if you're gonna travel on the non-rush hour. But if you're gonna be on the rush hour, it will give you about 30 to 40 minutes itself. Very close, very convenient as well. The next one I would like to talk about here, if you love to go to the beach, which is the Clearwater Beach. As you know, Clearwater Beach is one of the known beach here in Florida, and this is only take you about 2 hours 85 miles. Yes, that's gonna be very close, very good driving distance to go to the beach. And also I would like to tell you, this particular property is not on the flood zone area. Take note on that one. The next one that I would like to talk about here is the Disney World. This particular property is just about 22 minutes 14 miles away. Imagine how close you're gonna be in the Disney World. If you want to be close to the Disney World, this is about around the corner. It could be less hours or less minutes if it's non-rush hour, right? So more or less I would say about half an hour, but could be less on the non-rush hour. The next one that I would like to talk about here is the nearest hospital, or the nearest known or main hospital here in Central Florida, which is the Advent Health Hospital here in Davenport. And this is about 5 minutes, 1.2 miles away, literally just around the corner from this community itself. So if you need to go to the emergency, the hospital is just there. The next one that I would like to talk about here is the Orlando downtown. So the Orlando downtown from this particular community is about 45 minutes, 33 miles away, which is not too far and also not too close to downtown if you don't want to be a very busy community and also very busy road. You are not too close, however, you're not too far. That's about 45 minutes, 33 miles away, give or take, at a very good distance from downtown Orlando. The last one that I would like to talk about here or tell you is about Posner Village, which is the shopping area here in Davenport. This Posner Village is about 13 minutes, 4.3 miles away. What can you see about Posner Village? Posner Village is a shopping center where you can buy some clothing or grocery like Target. You can have some home goods there, a lot of restaurant that you can pick and choose, and also you will have an access to the I-4 from its Posner Village, which is right next to it. A very convenient for you if you like to go to shopping area, especially if you are coming off to the I-4 as well. So this is the video for today. If you like this video or if you stay in this video until this end, please comment new home so I could see how many people who watch our video. And also, thank you so much for your time watching our video. If you have any question, feel free to text me on my social or inbox me new home to all my social media account or to my cell phone so I could give you some information that you need and also help you to get your own new construction home here in Central Florida. Until next time, see you on my next video. I'm out for now. Peace. This sun is like too bright. Am I too bright here? Too bright, man. Here you go. Much better. Bye.